Welcome to a new video of the Unreal Engine series. Today, we will learn some of the best practices when organizing our project in Unreal. Let's start. The asset structure within a project in Unreal should be our first filter to search for our content. Although there are no mandatory rules to name them, these are some of the recommendations. Asset names must be written using Pascal notation, capitalizing the first letter and separating each word with an underscore. For example, sk_mannequin, skm_manny, skm_quinn. Also, special characters should be avoided, using only the alphabet from A to Z, uppercase and lowercase, numbers, and underscore. This will maximize the compatibility of our content when building the project and running it on other computers with other configurations. Regarding assets, Unreal Engine documentation includes more detailed information. Visiting the documentation page mentioned in the video description recommends the following nomenclature. Asset type as prefix, plus name, plus description, plus a suffix, which can be a letter or a number. Name prefixes are not required, so we can name any asset in any way, but it is recommended to follow this methodology to avoid confusing different types of files that share the same name. The basic naming recommendations are: for blueprints, BP_name. For materials, M_name. For textures, T_name. The suffixes are for the variations that an asset could have. For example, we can have the material M_enemy and the variants in material instances. mi_enemy_red, mi_enemy_green, mi_enemy_blue, etc. For the internal content structure, it is recommended to place the assets in folders and subfolders with a specific objective, mostly having one type of data per folder. If we analyze the third-person template, we can see the main folder contains 3 subfolders: blueprints, input, and maps. In the same way, if we analyze the starter content folder, we find separately the assets related to architecture, audio, particles, props, among others, as well as the blueprints and maps folders, now related to the starter content. Finally, if you want to create a new project, it is preferable to start with these good practices when importing content or creating new elements such as blueprints or materials. We post several videos weekly, so make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications.